Wilderness is a store of different things. It has adventure, it has surprise. For people who enjoy beauty, nothing that man makes can equal or surpass natural beauty. And different people will find different levels of beauty, from the grand sweep of gorges and mountains and river vistas to the little worlds under rocks and in ferns. It teaches us a lot about ourselves, I think. A wilderness is a place not marked by the hand of modern man. A place that's free of houses and cars and urbanisation and industry and agriculture. And the Franklin is one of those very rare places left on the earth which fulfils that criterion. It runs as it has run for thousands of years, and it is essentially in the same state as it was when white man, or for that matter black man, first came to the Tasmanian shore.